Language is the only means to communicate our ideas and convey our thoughts. So to be more progressive and adaptive in nature, English plays eminent role. Our school plays vital emphasis on our language fluency.
First step towards fluency in English is listening. It will help you to rise, make your decision wise, and before speaking will help you to think twice. Our school will provide us with language lab, which help us to listen various new words with its correct pronunciation.
Second step towards fluency in English is to speak. It will make you apprehend and help others to be comprehend. Our teachers allow us to present our ideas through role play, 1-minute talk, and such other various innovative activities.
The third step to learn English is writing. It will help you to give your ideas light, make your exposition bright, and before reading will make your imagination ignite. Our teachers allow us to bring our thoughts to paper with their continuous support and guidance.
The fourth step towards fluency in English is reading. It will help you to be ahead and makes you always lead. Our school provides us with an extensive and well-designed library, which makes our reading even more concrete.
Our school helps us to become even more creative, innovative, and persuasive person, and help us develop an impressive personality.